Hi guys, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your SAW cable account. So, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Firstly, make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Once you do that, go to your default browser and search SAW cable login. Once you hit search, you'll find sign on SAW on the top of your search list. Just click here. Now, as you are already redirected to the login portal, you just simply have to enter your SAW ID and your password. In case you forgot your ID, you can click here, and if you forgot your password, you can click here. If not, then simply sign in. That's it for today guys. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to give thumbs up, comments and feedback would be appreciated. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that I can come up with new videos like this. Until then, have a good time.